one of the things that we are seeing, I see on the screen, notice that Deutsche Bank apparently came out and one of their researchers or analysts came and said that Nio in June, they see Nio selling around 28,400 units, which will be a 22% increase from the May deliveries that we saw, and that were the deliveries of just over 23,200 cars. They said that this is supported by new orders from their EC6 SUVs and other models, and that other models is ET5 Touring, ET5 Mid Sedan. Nio's new autonomous driving feature is also likely to help boost sales, and this is what the analyst says. They say that they keep a buy rating and a price target of HK71, and the shares from this share price or from that target, it's currently at 27.50 HK, right? And this simply means that they are expecting the share price to at least double from where it's currently sitting at, which is just so amazing. Now, you will know that Deutsche Bank, like what we usually see, they are not very far off from their predictions. And if they are predicting or projecting 28,400 deliveries for Nio in June, you and me can agree that it might not be very far off from that, because if you check that, when you look into their guidance that Nio gave today, it simply means that they are expecting to deliver vehicles of between 24,400 to 27,400, which Deutsche Bank estimate of 28,400. It's not very far off from the upper side of the guidance that Nio gave. But one thing that we've been seeing on to Nio is that though they have beaten their guidance in terms of deliveries, in some instances, in most of the cases, they are most definitely going to deliver within their guidance, which therefore means getting 28,400 by Deutsche Bank might be a bonus, because Nio does not usually deliver over their guidance. But it has happened before. Maybe this time around it also happens, because in terms of the order book, you will know that before we got the deliveries of May, Deutsche Bank said Nio order book came at around 33,000 for the month of May. And this simply means that when you subtract 33 from the 23,000 that they delivered, or 23,200 that they delivered, there is over 9,000 cars that Nio has not yet delivered, which they got as orders last month, which is absolutely great, and it speaks volumes of where Nio could be headed or could be delivering this month. And the strategy of Nio that we discussed previously, when Nio is not waiting for the orders until they produce some of their hot selling cars like the EC6, it is a very good strategy, because it will make Nio to be able to sell or to deliver more vehicles. Firefly is one of the models that is doing, or it's outperforming, doing way better than what is expected. And I have no doubt in my mind that that model will continue with the good performance that we've been seeing, or that has been presented for all to see. So yeah, man, I am very happy. I am excited. And I just thought I'd come and give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. One thing that I discussed in the previous video is that share price of Nio is doing pretty well, pretty solid. I mean, as I'm recording this video right now, the share price of Nio is up 1.1%, meaning that the market is evaluating the earnings as not as bad, which is something that we can take. It can be a good thing. One thing that you will realize about the market when it comes to Nio, when you expect it to drop after some certain news like the earnings, it rises. When you expect it to rise, maybe because of deliveries or because of earnings, it will drop. This is what we usually see, mixed reactions from the market. But this one will take it, right? Because Nio has been beaten down for quite some time, and I believe that whatever Nio is doing, they are on the right direction, which will lead them to profitability in Q4. If some of you are still not seeing Nio getting to profitability, wait, because profitability is coming in Q4. So yeah, man, I just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. The blue sky is coming. long term will win, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. It takes me some time to make these videos, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you have not done so, because on this channel all day every day I give you the Nio's latest developments, which is why today we've been talking about the earnings, which is very important for the Nio users, or for the Nio investors, because first video I did today, you'll know that we're talking about Nio penetrating 7 new markets in Europe, which will be this year and next year. And boy, I must say, we are waiting. Hopefully things go well and we start seeing also deliveries for Nio overseas picking up, which will be so great. So I will see you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. That's all from me, my dear friends, and God bless you all.